earthquake occurred at 2:11 p.m. with the epicenter in Padada, and it registered 6.9 in the Richter scale, while other places they had intensities 3 to 9 to 5 in Governor Generoso, Occidental Mindoro 2.8, Sipalay City 2 in Negros Occidental, and 2.5 in Occidental Mindoro, Lubang. Last Sunday, December 15, 2019, Padada was rocked by a 6.9 magnitude earthquake, and these are some of the damages. This tower, which was about to be demolished, and there were workers in this structure, was toppled to the ground during the earthquake, and the workers were also hurt. They fell to the ground. This was one of the fissures formed during the earthquake last Sunday, December 15. You can see how wide the fissure is. This hole in the ground made by the earthquake can swallow an object, an expensive object, or a person may go there. Good that there was none. Another hole in the ground that was formed by the 6.9 magnitude earthquake. Cracks in the concrete road also were formed. Here's another crack formed by the earthquake. Several of these kinds were found in the aftermath of the earthquake. This building, a 3-story grocery store, also collapsed to the ground, burying the first floor into the ground. They say it was due to liquefaction. Water spewed out of the ground, liquefying the soil, and therefore the building went right into it. And the term is called liquefaction. For sure, there were casualties, but only minimal, but several were injured. Again, this is the 3-story grocery called the Southern Trading. Our former house, which was also razed to the ground in December of 1983, was third from this building going south. And this Southern is found in the corner of that street, Pangilinan Street and Rizal Street in